You certainly have heard that coconut oil is great for your skin and hair, besides having many other benefits, haven't you? Coconut is rich in nutrients and minerals, and this fruit is also very versatile. Many parts of a coconut can be used, like the water, sugar, milk, and oil, which is the main ingredient of today's recipe. Coconut oil is a huge ally of our face skin since it is rich in antioxidants like vitamin E. It also moisturizes, restores the life of your skin, and helps repair the damages, especially the ones caused by sun and ultraviolet rays. That's why in today's video we will teach you 2 natural masks with coconut oil to clean your skin and protect you against aging. Green tea and coconut oil mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon green tea leaves, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Directions: mix all ingredients until smooth. Clean your face and apply a thick layer of the mask. Let it act for 15 minutes. Then remove the mask with warm water and dry your skin with a clean towel. Lemon and coconut oil mask. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice. Directions: mix all ingredients until smooth. Clean your face and apply a thick layer of the mask. Let it act for 15 minutes. Then remove the mask with warm water and dry your skin with a clean towel. Besides these masks, coconut oil can be used as a facial and body moisturizer, face and lip scrub, makeup remover to remove makeup and other impurities, and even as an after-sun to soothe sunburns. Did you know any of these recipes? Do you use coconut oil?
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.